If you care about a little more privacy while you browse, today I'm going to show you how to send a do not track request in Google Chrome. This is a simple setting that tells websites you would prefer not to be tracked across your browsing activity. Now, it's important to know that not every website has to follow this request, but turning it on is still a good privacy step for many users. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Chrome tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, dock, or start menu, depending on how your device is set up. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its main options and settings. From the menu, click Settings. That will open Chrome's full settings page, where you can change privacy, appearance, search, and other browser preferences. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a sidebar with different categories. Find and click Privacy and Security. This is the section where Chrome keeps its privacy-related controls, including cookies, site settings, and browsing protections. Now, in the Privacy and Security area, click Third-Party Cookies. Chrome has been changing the way it handles cookies and tracking, so this is the section you need to manage related privacy options. Once you're inside, scroll down until you find a setting that says Send a Do Not Track request with your browsing traffic. When you see that option, simply turn the toggle on. As soon as you enable it, Chrome will start including a Do Not Track request when you browse websites. Again, this does not force every website to stop tracking you, because each site can choose whether or not to honor the request. But it does send a clear signal that you prefer more privacy while you're online. If you want to double check that the setting stayed on, you can stay on the same page and make sure the switch is still enabled. That's really all there is to it. No extra software, no extensions, and no complicated setup. Just a quick change inside Chrome's privacy settings. This is a great option if you want to take a few simple steps toward better browsing privacy, especially if you use Chrome every day for work, school, shopping, or general web browsing. It only takes a moment, and once it's turned on, you don't have to keep adjusting it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.